Morning children. Today we are going to solve problems on heights and distances. First question, listen. The length of the shadow of a vertical tower is root 3 times its height. Find the angle of elevation of the sun. The length of the shadow of a vertical tower. Let AB be the vertical tower and its length of its shadow is BC. BC is the length of its shadow. The length of the shadow of a vertical tower is root 3 times its height. AB is the tower. AB is the tower. And let AB is equal to X. AB is equal to X. Then its length of its shadow is root 3 times its height. AB is equal to, AB is the tower and its height is equal to X. Then BC is equal to root 3 into X. Our question is, find the angle of elevation of the sun. BC is the length of shadow. We have to find this angle. Angle of elevation of the sun. This angle. To calculate this angle. Here, based on this angle, let it be theta. Based on this angle, what is tan theta? Tan theta is equal to AB by opposite side by adjacent. Tan theta is equal to, what is AB? X divided by BC is root 3x. X cancelled, 1 by root 3. Tan theta is equal to 1 by root 3 means tan theta is equal to 1 by root 3. Which value of tan theta is 1 by root 3? Theta is equal to 30 degree. So the angle of elevation of the sun is 30 degree. Second question. The angle of elevation of the top of a tower at a distance of 120 meter from its foot on a horizontal plane is found to be 30 degree. Find the height of the tower. Find the height of the tower. The angle of elevation of the top of a tower at a distance of 120 meter from its foot on a horizontal plane is found to be 30 degree. Find the height of the tower is the question. Let AB be the tower. From the foot at a distance of 120 meter from its foot, a man is observing at this point C. The C is 120 meter away from the foot of the tower. The angle of elevation is to be 30 degree. This angle is equal to 30 degree. Our question is, find the height of the tower. That means we have to calculate AB. This angle is 30 degree. So let AB be the tower. What is tan 30? Tan 30 is opposite side AB by adjacent BC. What is the value of tan 30? Tan 30, we know that the value of tan 30 is 1 by root 3 is equal to AB divided by BC is 120. Cross multiplication, root 3 AB is equal to 120. So AB is equal to 120 divided by root 3. And in the question, here the value of root 3 is not given. So we write 120 by 1.732 equals 120 divided by 1.732 is 1732 division 1000 is equal to 120 into 100 by 1732 equals 120 again 3 zeros divided by 1732. We divide this 1,20,000 by 1732. We get 69.28 meter. This is the height of the tower. The height of the tower is equal to 69.28 meter. Question 3. A god observes an enemy boat from an observation tower at a height of 180 meter above the sea level to be at an angle of depression 29 degree. 1. Calculate to the nearest meter the distance of the boat from the foot of the observation tower. From the foot of the observation tower. Second part of the question. After some time, it is observed that the boat is 200 meter from the foot foot of the observation tower. Observation tower. Calculate the new angle of depression. Here, a guard observes an enemy boat from an observation tower at a height of 180 meters above the sea level. A guard is observing a boat at a height of 180 meters above the sea level from an observation tower. That means the height of the tower is 180. Let AB be the tower and its height is given 180 meters. A guard is standing this point and observing the boat. The boat point of the P is the point of boat. Observing the boat. His horizontal ray goes this way. This is the angle of depression above the sea level. To be at an angle of depression, this angle is 29 degree. Means by using property of parallel lines, this angle P also 29 degree. Here this is AC and PB are parallel lines and AP is the transversal. So these two angles are alternate angles. So they are equal in measure. Use the property of parallel lines. We get angle APB also 29 degree. Then calculate to the nearest meter the distance of the boat from the foot of the tower, foot of the observation tower. That means in the first part we have to calculate PB. In the first part we have find the distance of the boat from the foot of the observation tower. Boat point is this, foot of the observation tower is this. We have to calculate PB. First part, let AB be the tower. And what is tan 29 is equal to opposite side 180 by adjacent BP. From tan table, you look at the tan table. Tan 29 is equal to 0.5543 is equal to 180 divided by BP. Then cross multiplication 0.5543 into BP is equal to 180. So BP is equal to 180 divided by 0.5543. 180 divided by 0.5543 is equal to 325 centimeter. We divide these two, we will get 325 centimeter. First part is over. Then read the second part of the question. After some times, it is observed that the boat is 200 meters away from the foot of the tower. Here, AB tower. After some time, it is observed that the second position of the boat is this point Q. It is observed that the boat is 200 meters away from the foot of the tower. This distance is 200 meters and AB is given 180 meters. We have to calculate the angle of depression. Here, one man is horizontal ray. This is the line of sight. So this angle is equal to this. Find this angle. we have to find, in the second part, we have to find the angle. For that, tan theta is equal to 180 divided by 200. We divide 180 divided by 200. We get 0.900. Tan theta is equal to 0.900. Look at the tan table. We get theta is equal to 41 degree 59 minutes. The value of theta is equal to 41 degree 59 minutes. Next question. Two people standing on the same side of a tower in a straight line with it measure the angles of elevation of the top of the tower as 25 degree and 50 degree respectively. If the height of the tower is If the height of the tower is 70 meter, find the distance between the two people. Find the distance between the two people. Two people standing on the same side of a tower in a straight line. With it, measure the angles of elevation of the top of the tower as 25 degree and 50 degree respectively. If the height of the tower is 70 meter, find the distance between the two people. Let PQ be the tower and A and B are two persons. A and B are two persons standing on the same side of the tower in a same straight line, and observe the top of the tower at an angle 25 degree and 50 degree, and the height of tower is 70 meter. Find the distance between the two people. That means we have to calculate AB. A and B are the two persons standing on the same side of the tower and observing the top of the tower at an angle 25 degree and 50 degree. Here you have a doubt. Which one? Which angle we mark? Where these angles we mark? That is our question. When we are approaching the tower, the angle is also increasing. Suppose here 10 degree, 20 degree, 30 degree, 40 degree, etc. Last, this angle Q is 90 degree. That means when we are approaching the tower, the angle is increasing. So we mark this angle is 25 degree and the second angle is 50 degree. We are approaching Finally, we reach the at point Q, this angle is 90. So, angle is increasing when we are approaching the tower. Now, we have to find AB. For that, first we take the right triangle PQB and find BQ. Then we take the right triangle PQA and find AQ. Then AQ minus BQ is equal to AB. A and B are the two persons. Then from right triangle PQA, what is tan 25? Tan 25 is equal to opposite side by adjacent. PQ by AQ equals PQ is 70 by AQ. What is tan 25? Tan 25 is equal to 0.4663. You look at the tan natural tangents table. We get tan 25 is equal to 4663 equals 70 by AQ. So 0.4663 into AQ is equal to 70. AQ equals 70 divided by 0.463. We divide 70 by 0.4663. We get 150.118. 150.118 meter is AQ. Then we have to find tan 50 from right triangle PQB. What is tan 50? Tan 50 is equal to 70 by BQ. What is the value of tan 50? The value of tan 50 from the table is 1.1918 is equal to 70 by BQ. 1.1918 into BQ is equal to 70. Therefore, BQ is equal to 70 divided by 1.1918 is equal to 70 divided by 1.1918 is 58.735 meter. Here we get this BQ and AQ. We have to calculate AB. AB is equal to AQ minus BQ. AB equals, AB means the distance between the two persons. AB is equal to AQ minus BQ. What is AQ? AQ is 150.118 meter minus BQ is 58.735 meter. We subtract 150.118 meter minus 58.735 meter. We get 91.38 meter. 91.38 meter is the answer. Homework exercise 22A 1 to 38. Thank you.